Goodness gracious, holy shit.
Well, you know what I did? I was looking at, I was going, okay, let's land. Oh, fuck, it's a train. I was looking at Mark. I was gonna land and I came in super hot. I should have just put it down, but I said no. So I flew it this high off the ground between these two trees. And I can't judge the distance between those trees and these trees. I didn't know how close they were. I'm way the fuck back there. So I punch it up and it got inverted on me.
Oh no.
And then I couldn't see it behind the tree.
Oh.
So I thought I was right up against those trees. I was way over here.
Wow. So, I can hang on to those.
Oh, that's right. I just want to make sure I don't leave anything.
Yeah.
Because this is all fixable. I know it doesn't look it, but.
Did you have a GoPro on it or anything?
No.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Nope. Thanks.
Got it?
Yep.
Well, got you all on camera, so smile.
Oh, wait, one thing. Yep, I got my receiver. Yep, that's the only thing.
Yeah, I don't see any parts left.
Yeah. Yes.